Stop data chaos. Master roles with RACI Matrix.
To avoid all this, a proper RASI needs to be developed. That is one of the solution, I would say. It is not just that, because if when there are multiple player in one process, it is very important to identify the role of each player, because each is going to play a role. Who is responsible for the data, who is accountable, who is going to contribute, and who is need to be informed. Now here informed is very clear, the board of directors or the top management need to be informed. But the players among themselves, they need to sit down, discuss, have a proper brainstorm, and come out with a rasi. That will be one solution to it. And more important, governance is not just for some audit, or for something just to prove on the paper. This is actually, we need to have it in the DNA of the organization. Data minimization is the first goalpost which needs to be achieved. That has to be minimized. And when we say minimize, minimize with a purpose, not just minimize. It has to be again with a purpose. Either way, collection and the minimization with the purpose. Second important, when you're retaining it, be very thoughtful how long you're going to retain with different laws. In India, like, we have this labor law, we have the provident fund, we have income tax. So every law come with a different timeline. None of them has a like a uniformity in the timeline. Plus our own company's GDPR, or our own company, what you say, headquarter policy, which will allow us for certain years or after that.